Rejection stings, whether it's a job, an idea, or even a relationship. But here's the shift. Rejection isn't the end. It can actually be the fuel for growth. One simple way to start is by writing yourself a quick reframe you can come back to whenever rejection shows up. Let me show you. I like to open my notes app and type this reframe. This isn't a no forever. It is a feedback for growth. You can pause the video to copy it. In this video, I'm showing it in Google Docs so it's easier to follow along. But you can do the exact same thing in your Notes app. The power of writing this out is that the next time rejection hits, you have already built a script that shifts your perspective. Instead of letting it feel personal, you remind yourself it's simply part of the process of learning and improving. This quick practice helps in the moment, but lasting confidence means bouncing back automatically without second guessing yourself. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge teaches you. Across 5 steps, you will rewire old beliefs so rejection becomes proof you're growing instead of a reason to quit. And to make sure you follow through, the challenge includes a dedicated personal advisor who supports you step by step, plus 30 days of power and purpose, daily mantras that keep your confidence strong long after you start. It's just $7 to join, beginner friendly, and you can get started right now. Click the link under this video and turn rejection into your greatest growth opportunity.